Hey guys, welcome to OMG. So today we'll be reviewing Swagbucks, which is one of the most trusted platform where you can earn money by just completing surveys and doing simple tasks. So I'll be showing you how to do that, and I'll also be showing you some interesting things and how to earn from this website. So let's get started. Now this is the website, and this is the homepage of that website. You have to sign up to get started with it. It's as usual. You can either choose Facebook to sign up or use your mail ID. I have already an account, so this is one new account. I just started it for video purpose. So let's see how we can earn. For answering surveys, you will be getting around 200 SPs within 120 seconds. So I'm just starting off with answering surveys, but this is not a survey. This is just a pre-qualification questions, like, so they'll be just collecting our information, personal information, in order to maintain whether we are answering correctly to the all the survey questions asked to us, which we are participating. As far as the features in this website, you can earn money through answering surveys or taking few tasks, daily tasks, and you have other features which I'll be covering in this video soon. So before that, make sure you just subscribe and click on to the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. And now here I'm in the home page of the Swagbucks my dashboard. So as you can see on the right side of the website, there is a panel where I can actually answer few questions which are like really simple, not so personal, just my opinion, and whether I have used something, like whether I have used flights in my past 2 months for any occasion, or like have I ever had an Android phone, do I own a car, or do I own a bike, or something like that. So I think those are simple, easy, and whenever I finish 10 questions from the simple survey box, I'll be getting 2 SBs. So as you can see, I am just answering it, and on the left side, I can earn money through doing Peanut Lab survey or daily poll. Daily poll is like you'll be getting just one question per day, and tasks are something, you will be given a task, something like find a profile of this company or something like that, and you have to do it. So those are the tasks, and as you can see, I am just answering daily poll questions. Who taught you to drive is the question, and I'm just answering it, and I'll be getting 1 SB if I answer it. And it is also showing the percentage of the poll, like how many percentage have actually answered and what was their thing. And yeah, so this is the Readem gift. You will be getting $25 when you earn 2500 SBs. So I think as far as earning, this is actually legit. You can earn money either through Flipkart gift card or from PayPal, or you can donate 5 SBs to all these organization, non-profit organizations. So you can do that. Talking about 2500 SP, I think it's really, not so practical to earn it in quick time. It will take a lot of time, at least a month's time. If you're just investing 1 hour per day or 2 hour per day, it will take around a month to earn that much amount of SBs. So I don't think this is a fast way to earn money online, but this is okay. I think this is legit, and you can just try on for just for $25. And this one is like a lucky draw. Swag stakes are like lucky draw contest, so you have to enter by submitting 25 SBs. Currently I don't have 25 SBs now in my account, so when I just have those, I'll be getting one entry, and I have to read an entry. If I'm a lucky winner, I'll be getting 50 SBs. Same way you have many other deals. Now we'll check on with what is there in the Discover. So this is Swagbucks Discover. Discover is something like whenever you do a purchase or whenever you do something outside, like Revenue Universe or somewhere else, you'll be getting SBs for those things you spend on. So that way you can earn money. Can you see that? Activate your $10 welcome bonus. So it's something like that. And this one SB button is nothing but Chrome extension or Firefox extension. You have to add it to your browser so that you will be getting those 20 SBs for just adding an extension. I think the better payout, I can say it as a payout, you'll be getting Flipkart gift voucher worth 500 rupees when you earn 800 SB. So I think that's pretty good. You can try on that. Now I'm not going to add any Chrome extension for Swagbucks because I just want to just try this one. This is not going to be my mainstream of income. I won't be, I can't waste a lot of time just for answering these many questions, which will take around 30 to 45 minutes at least. They might say you it will just take around 10 to 15 minutes, but it's not like that. Some keeps redirecting because whenever you are not qualified for a survey, it keeps redirecting, and it will try to find a better survey for you in order to earn that 25 s I think it's 24 SB. So it's something like that. So it keeps redirecting, which might eventually take around 30 to 45 minutes minimum to complete a survey properly to earn the 24 SBs. And yeah, this is one of the survey that I tried, which will get me 24 SB if I'm totally qualified and I have answered it right. And another one more important thing is that if I'm going to fake my identity, like say I have given my information when I was completing my profile, such as I'm born in 1993 and I'm faking it on survey as 2000, it won't accept my survey. And this is one of the surveys that I'm trying to answer. This is taking a lot of time. I'm just skipping it. So I'm just redirecting to another survey, I think, or I don't know whether it's over or not. Oh, why is this showing like that? I'm not sure. So I'm just doing it in Peanut Lab survey. I think this one is pretty well known survey, kind of. So here I'm going to check another set of survey, whether I will be eligible or not. I'm not sure. I have to answer it and check it out. Even this one will be taking a lot of time, so I'll be skipping it. And it takes a lot of personal information also. So here I'm back in Peanut Lab survey dashboard. There is also another option which is like Gold survey. Gold survey is nothing but it will take a lot of time. I'm not sure about it because this 10-minute survey itself is taking 30 minutes. I'm not sure whether that Gold survey which says 30 minutes is going to take only 30 or more than that. I'm not sure about that. The next one is Task, so I'll be showing you that one also. This is legit. I have already seen a lot of review on this one, lot of payment proof. So I don't think this is a fake website like Bonus Junkies, which I have done it before. If you haven't seen my review on Bonus Junkies, kindly look at that. It was really fun doing that video, so I'll be placing it in the cards above, or you can find it in the description box below. I'll just leave a link to it. So fine, this survey is not a match for me. I'm not trying anymore now. I'll be showing you after 2 days. So as far as today, I can try one more, I think. I'm not sure. I'll be showing you what I have earned totally for 2 days. I have another 3 surveys left, so I'll try to do that. I'll be showing you what I have earned in 2 days. So this is my total earning, 191 SBs in 2 days. Totally one day I have invested around 2 to 4 hours, something like that. So it's taking a lot of time, and as I have told you in Bonus Junkies review, when you search for owner of Swagbucks, you can actually find their profile in LinkedIn also. So they have a verified profile, and it's legit only, so you can trust on them. But you can't earn a lot from this Swagbucks alone. So my inference from this video is that this is legit. You can trust on them. You can earn a bit. You cannot replace your 9 to 5 job by this one. So that's all about the video, and that is the review. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and I'll meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.